Hello, this is a video for manufacturer number 30-000468. This is by Gerber Blades. It's a dime micro tool. It's a multi-purpose tool. It's green and boxed. I'm going to already have it out for you, so I'm just going to go ahead and hold that up. You got your wire cutters and pliers, your lanyard ring, your file, your scissors, knife, bottle opener, retail package opener, and right here would be your tweezers that I'm pulling out. Goes right up inside this little compartment right there. I'm going to go ahead and close this back up so I can show you what it looks like when it's closed.